Emdlalweni womlenze wokuqala wawusehambeni badlala ngokulingana ngegoli elilodwa. Umgadli weqembu leBanyana uThembi Khatlana uthi ukudlala ekhaya kuzobagqugquzela njengoba belindele nabalandeli ukuzobakhuthaza.
I think it's more about focusing on ourselves. We are playing at home with no pressure. I think we're taking one match at a time, and I believe that the coaches will prepare us physically and mentally for this game. And also, I think playing at home is going to bring us, to be comfortable in the game.
Umqeqeshi weBanyana Banyana nobonakala ebuyela ukuzethemba njengoba kulomqhudelwano evumelekile ukusebenzisa izinsika zabadlali akagabe ngabo. Uthi bazobhekana neqembu elidle ngokuqina, yingakho kukhona abadlali akabadingayo.
We know Lona team has been part of the setup, and so has Fikile. And if you look at the age in the team, I think they showed a lot of maturity in the way they handle things, and having one training session with them, I can be very proud of their bravery as well.
Lo mdlalo weBanyana Banyana uzoba ngomsombuluko enkundleni yase-Orlando eSoweto ngehora lesithathu ntambama. Kanti umdlalo wokugcina bazowudlala neBurkina Faso ngoLwezi nangoZibandlela.